my channel. If you are new here, I am Sophony, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notification when I upload a new video. So I reset a new upload schedule. I used to post every Monday and Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. So starting today, you guys should start expecting new videos from my channel every Thursday at 3 p.m. Okay, so to keep up with me, go ahead and follow me on my other social media: Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I just created a TikTok, but I am mostly on Instagram and Snapchat. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look. If you are interested in seeing how it's done, keep on watching. Bye. Right now, I am brushing my brows up with the spoolie brush. I am getting ready to try them with this new brow pencil I bought from the dollar store. I just shaved my brows, you guys. It feels amazing to have this clean shave. It's been a while. So now I am cleaning them up with my Pure Mineral Concealer in color Honey. I am using BBFS concealer in number 15 to color correct my eyelids. I am getting ready for some eyeshadows. For my new makeup beginners, to achieve a nice pigmented eyeshadow look, you have to use a concealer or an eyeshadow base that is lighter than your skin tones before applying your eyeshadow. I'm taking the GVS Place Afrique eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with this orange right here. For my beginners, again, if you've been wondering how makeup artists have that perfect pop color and yours never look like ours, you need to avoid dragging your brush when applying the eyeshadow. As you can see, I am blending the eyeshadow in tapping motion. Next, I am using the Miss Goss eyeshadow palette and take this purple right here. So I just learned this new trick last week on my own while I was doing my makeup. I learned that when a color is hard to blend, or if it's a really dark rich color and not close to the first shade you've applied, blend it in the center of the eye so that you won't have to struggle to blend the edges. It will already combine with the first shade. So I found purple shades are hard to blend, so as you can see, this is exactly what I'm doing. So now I am taking a clean eyeshadow brush and blend the orange edge and sweeping motion towards my brow bones so we can have that soft orangey crease. Right now I am adding purple glitter. To make that glitter stay in place, you must use something creamy and dry fast. I am using my old face primer, and make sure you wet the brush before dipped in. Right now, I am drawing my wing with my Palladio liquid eyeliner. Y'all, I've been using this for a whole year now. I need a new one. This is my favorite eyeliner. I love the applicator. It's amazing. I am using my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my lashes, then apply my falsies. Of course, I have to wipe these glitters fall out of my face before applying any products. I am using the e.l.f. face primer. This is my third time using it. I like it so far. It's nice. For foundation, I am using my favorite Juvia's Place foundation in Burkina and blend it in with a damp beauty blender. When blending your foundation, don't leave your neck out. Nobody wants to see where your foundation stops. It's not cute at all, sis. I am highlighting with the same GVS Place Concealer in number 15. Now I am setting my concealer with the GVS Place Setting Powder in Kalahari, then contour with the I Am Magic Concealer in number 3. I bought this concealer a bit too dark for my skin. It's kind of scary to use, but I don't really care. I know how to fix my mistakes. Y'all going to learn this today, so don't panic. We all here to learn, honey. So yeah, I'll be using it over and over till the bottle is empty. I don't like wasting stuff. Now I am sweeping away the excess powder. Since this concealer is so freaking dark, I'm not adding any more dark products on it. I don't want to see a long dark spot on my cheeks. I am using my favorite Rimmel pressed powder over it to give me that natural contour look. I love this powder so much, you guys. It has saved a lot of looks. For blush, I am using the Juvia's Place Serene 2 eyeshadow palette and go in with this orange shade on my cheeks. When I don't use this, I feel like something is not right, like I'm missing something. I love seeing that warm look on my cheek, you guys. It's so freaking beautiful, as you can see. Ooh, girl, yes. For glow, I am using the Juvia's Place loose highlighters and Anobian. For my lips, I'm going to use this two matte lipstick, the Juvia's Place Tay 2 and the Glamorous, I think that Glamorous Goddess Nude Pink lipstick. I bought this concealer base from P. Louise a few months ago. I am using it on my waterline. Ooh, girl, yes, I love it. To finish up with everything, I'm spraying my face with my NYX setting spray. Okay, y'all, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with a friend who loves makeup or a family member. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.